Niamh.
This is Lander 3. We've got the coordinates as well. We can be there within 12 hours.
Do not tell them what I am.
But...
Just do as I say.
Greetings.
What is your faith?
We are not believers.
Hello there. We received your signal. We represent the Ark of the Mithraic. We thought all of Earth's surviving refugees were aboard our Ark, but it would seem Sol had other plans. How did you get here? The atheists didn't have the means to build an Ark.
It doesn't concern you. Now, please get off our land. We don't want you here.
Wait. Please. Apologies. But it was you that signaled us. And to my knowledge, there are no laws here regarding land or anything else. I see that you have been farming. A lot. We are very hungry.